Yeah, hello viewers. Once again, you're most welcome to Yester Animal Breeding Farm. This farm is located in Nebi, and I'm the founder. By names, I'm called Ogendro Victor. I'm a nurse by profession, so I just welcome you to share with you the breeding and also the kind of animals we're supposed to keep, especially with the goats. So, from the previous session, we had some of this question came in like which kind of breed is the best, and also how can we access them. So let me assure you, my followers and my viewers, that the animal that we are trying to keep is what determined your future, the kind of money you want to get. I always say that when you go for top genetics, that's where you're going to also gain in the good amount of money. So I just want to go straight to the kind of breeds I can encourage people to keep. The first breed that we should look at is the boa. The boa, this is a brown head with white body. It is brown head with white body. The weight maximum, the male one, the back, weigh maximum up to 120 kilogram. The female up to 90 kilogram. Then Savannah is white-bodied with a V-shaped face, and the male one also weigh up to 120. Then the female up to 90 kgs. Then also we have the Kalahari. The Kalahari is totally the brown body, and it can also weigh up to 120 kilogram. The male one, then the female up to 90 kgs. Then also we have the black berry, which is black bodied all over. The body is black. They weigh up to 120 kgs. So that is the quality of breed you should look at when you're keeping, other than local. Now, one benefit with these animals is that they adapt to any environment. So long as there is good management practice that you're trying to develop in your farm area, you will just thrive and achieve 100%. Because most people look at the adaptation pattern. Sometimes it's quite very hard, but the assurance I can give, like for us, when we get our bucks, we import our bucks from South Africa, then we bring them, you put them for quarantine like for 2 weeks, you monitor disease. When they're not there, then you introduce them to the farm. As you monitor them, you keep also doing the necessary measures. You have to make sure you manage the tick-borne diseases. You need to manage that. You need also to manage worms, infestation. Then also you need to make sure the environment is very clean. Those are the basic you need to do, especially when this animal reaches the farm. So the fear that this animal will die when you go for pure bloodline, that they will die, that is not true. Make sure that you get it from me that if you're serious and committed towards breeding, then my assurance that you will get 100%. Then another advantage with this animal, you will know that the nature of the meat, it is very it's very tender, and also the texture of it, it's so nice that you cannot compare with the local. The local, sometimes you see it is very hard, and also the taste alone may not bring appetite. Though most people prefer local, but because they are not used to it, they have never experienced the hybrid product. So you go for that, then automatically you will achieve. But also I can encourage people that sometimes, when you don't have money, at least make sure the male within your yards should be of a quality. You can cross your local, you can get your local 10 to 40 to 50. If you don't have the money to stock all hybrid, then you can bring in what? You can bring in your hybrid back, a pure line, to crossbreed this local. That will be it is a better option than using purely local, as you're putting in your brain that you're having goats. Let me do for you this. If I have 10 bucks, or I have 10 hybrid, if I sell them right now, minimum I'll get from 10 is close to 5 million and above. because each goes for 500 to 1.5 to 2.5 there. So you realize that I'll make better money. But for you, someone who is keeping local, just know the local, for you to fetch that amount of money, you need close to 100 goats. 100 goats. Each goat may go up to that's around 50 to 100 goats, because each goat goes to around 120 and above. So meaning like you will have to have many number of goats for you to reach there. So when you do quality, even if you have a small yard, a small grazing area, you can be able to get some good amount of money. Yeah, even the nature of the meat, because with the hybrid they grow faster, and you realize that the muscle build up is very fast, and you'll be able to generate quicker money than keeping this local. You know, for you to gain up to 100 kilogram for a local, which they cannot reach, let me say around 80 kilogram for this local, from this local, you may take close to 5 to 6 years for you to reach, to attain that weight. But with the hybrid, within at least 2 years to 2.5 years, you'll be able to reach close to around 100 kilogram. So which is quite better in terms of generating quick money. And the major reason why we are trying to do quality hybrid animal is, one, to eradicate poverty. Yeah, we want to eradicate poverty, because I myself, being a professional nurse, I realize that sometimes the money I make from my work sometimes cannot sustain me. So I opt for doing quality breed of animals, which is able to sustain me. Yeah, which is able to sustain me, because when you look at the school fees right now, it is quite expensive for you even sometimes to manage, unless you go for loan. But when you have this animal, just know you can sell anytime you want, because people always eat meat, and they will always have they will always demand. The demand is always very high. So when you do this, my assurance as I conclude is that you will always thrive very well. You'll be able to achieve your dreams when you go for this quality, and above everything, yeah, you'll have your peace, you'll have your comfort, because you'll not be burdened with the loans. Yeah? Because instead of going for loan, you go and sell your animal. If I remove 10 right now, automatically I expect over 20-30 within the next month, 1 or 2 months. So the recovery process is very fast than going for a loan that will keep stressing you, that will keep multiplying, the interest will keep multiplying. So my advice to you is just take it that the quality breed, the kind of goat you keep, it's very important for you to achieve your dream. Otherwise, thank you so much. You can leave your questions or comment on on the comment section, but don't forget to subscribe and also like our page. Thank you so much.